What's wrong? What you know about Lenny Berries and Scraps?
So we do the.
I already forgot what's it called. Royal chicken.
Royal Italian chicken.
1671.
Yes, at the beginning of the video, sometimes we'll order right and then start our video, and I already forgot what we getting. Japanese steakhouse and sushi bar. You been there before? Kabuto? Kaboto? I don't know how you say it.
With the,
Who is it? Blueberries?
we don't remember.
Yeah.
We'll put it on the screen.
Yeah. You been there before?
I'm gonna ask you to pull around on the other side of the building by the double doors.
Okay.
It'll be about 3 minutes for the Italian Christies.
Can we get some barbecue sauce?
We're trying to have barbecue sauce.
Y'all out or kinda out?
We're out.
Oh, okay. It can't be full. Alright guys, so stay tuned. For some reason I was thinking it was a square box.
Yeah, they used to be.
I think Burger King fries better than McDonald's.
I don't know. Wendy's fries have stepped up lately.
This is actually fresh, guys. It ain't that melted together like a unit. I prefer a unit though sometimes. They'd be warmer, you know. But this is the Italian.
Utah right now. I forgot about that.
This is the Italian.
It's in the whole bowl.
This is the Italian Royal.
Chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
What's on it?
Stuff I like, red sauce and cheese.
Look like a
This
marinara.
This is a man's sandwich here. Not much on there. Wish it was a little hotter, but it ain't. That's
Yeah.
the expression. Let's see.
I like that. Kind of tastes like chicken parmesan, don't it?
This is Buford Boy approved. For us to be Buford boys, that's probably the last thing I eat. Is a Buford.
From Arby's.
Can't see you.
But
Guys, I like this.
yeah. I noticed when we eat normal, like without a video, you don't chew as loud. What is that about?
Because to get popular on YouTube, you gotta always have a niche.
That can't be it. Mm-mm.
Guys, if y'all like this video, like
Y'all know there's real phobias to chewing, right? Like loud chewing, smacking, drinking, swallowing stuff. Sounds like that.
no. What about the frozen blue raspberry?
What was the one we was gonna get?
Mango.
Mango.
The fries, crispy, salty. What do these fries remind you of?
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like the fatter McDonald's fry.
Who said these are better than McDonald's?
I think so, they fatter.
No, but listen, McDonald's probably got the best fries, but these are consistent. Wendy's is good and consistent. These are consistent. They're good.
McDonald's, man. You know I saw a Grater's by us?
I need to shut that down now. It is kind of messy. It's a cool sandwich though.
I like the sauce.
What is this, like marinara? Or like... You know, we was asking Sharita about it, and she said, Sharita, my auntie, her
To
sister,
make one.
how to make chicken parm, because what was I supposed to say? She was like, it's like a mix of spaghetti and marinara sauce.
This is a good sandwich.
Mm-hmm. We got a sandwich like this at Wendy's, remember? Actually,
Yeah, and it was.
they had one with beef, which I don't know how that would taste. Marinara sauce with beef.
Probably good.
But we had the chicken one. And what did they do different here?
I don't know, guys, but that was good.
Yeah.
Wow. Huh? This is good too, guys.
Yeah, this is cool. Frozen Sprite would have been good too. We had that before.
I don't know, guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate y'all sitting here eating with us.
Yeah. Yeah. We hit that 10-minute mark, guys. So,
We all know what else to do.
yeah. Tell them to stop chewing loud. Tell them. We gonna see y'all.